Make gardening more enjoyable with tools that enhance the experience and help you do more. If you have the basics like a shovel, trowel, and rake, here are 5 tools to make the work easier. A post hole digger for digging deeper and more precise holes. A bulb planter for easily planting bulbs at correct depths. A pruning saw for cutting branches that are too thick for hand pruners and in tight spaces. A pair of head shears to keep bushes and shrubs trimmed and shaped. A wheelbarrow or yard cart to help move large loads of mulch, soil, and even your garden tools around the landscape. As your collection of garden tools grows, make sure you have a place to keep your tools so they're organized, protected, and ready to use. With these tools in hand, you're on your way to creating and maintaining a beautiful garden.